What's going on, everyone? So here's a project. Purchased this 1995 Jeep YJ. So it's my YJ project. Bought it 2023 in June-ish. And yeah, it's been great. Been working on it. So I've been taking some fenders off, as you can see. I'm going to repaint it. Um, and the thing was, I haven't really played on YouTube in a while, so I might do that again. So I'm just going to start recording. I haven't seen some stuff to be done as of yet on YouTube. This is the ghetto garage, and everything that was in here during the summer is in storage, so I can work on this. The 10 bikes are actually, the track bike is actually under here, believe it or not. But what do I got going on? So we got some serious rust problem there. And we're going to be replacing this whole side of the Jeep. It's got a lot of rust damage there. Got a floor pan in there. I'm going to paint all the inside in here. Going to paint all this up. But I never really recorded anything. I did some pictures and whatnot. And there's one of the, that's the driver's side fender. Just wondering if people are interested in seeing something like this. If so, I will continue. But this project in itself is new to me. I've done body work years and years and years ago, but a Jeep thing to me is new. So just, getting ready, prepping things up, and I gotta basically take this whole side panel out, but I haven't found anything on YouTube, so I think I might record that. Limited on how much room I got. Even though it's a double car garage, it does make some troubles. So if you're interested, put a comment below, and I'll do some updating as I go. Big problem I have with this side one here, I have to, before I can even put that fender back on, I got to cut all this out, cut out the pillar, re-weld everything, rip all this out, cut around the flanges, and zip this part down here, and remove it. So it's going to be a pretty good job, and I'm going to invest in a MIG welder. I have a BuzzBox ACDC, AC Lincoln welder, but that's just too much power, and a MIG will be fun. So got to cut more of this out so I can fit that floor pan in there, and we'll see where we're at. Thanks for stopping by.